Hello and welcome to another video of developing simple low-code agents to help boost productivity by using AI. In this video, we're going to talk about a multi-agentic system known as KPI Dashboard Designer. The KPI Dashboard Designer will have two sub-agents. So it's going to be a little interesting. Let's quickly take a look. So the KPI Dashboard Designer can help create metric plan and dashboard visualization ideas for a particular business unit or a team. So if I say, please create a KPI metrics plan for the marketing and campaign team, what it does is it helps to write KPI metrics and the dashboard and visualization plan for the marketing and campaign team by passing around the control of the flow in a multi-agentic system. So let's take a look at it. Here, it says mapping the metrics plan, and then it is orchestrating agent handoffs. That means there are multiple agents. We're going to see how we check for multiple agents and create that multi-agentic system. Here, you have crafting the marketing plan and then confirming the handoff. So there are two agents which we are going to discuss in a few minutes, but you see here how the agents handoff are being transferred. What it does is it creates marketing and campaign KPI strategy, it develops the metrics, and then it develops the target and threshold like customer acquisition cost, return on spend, and all the details. Next, it does data architecture and visualization map, which is the second sub-agent, and it shows you the summary of visualization as well. So let's quickly see how to create this complex, simple low-code agent, like complex functionality, but simply creating it on the agent designer. So step number one is you go to the agents on the left side or create a new agent. Go to make sure you are in agent designer, click on proceed to builder. And then for more space, you can do this. Click on the first one and then copy paste the main thing on the. So I'm going to copy paste the KPI dashboard designer main agent. KPI, this is the main agent here in the description. Then I'm just copying paste the instructions as is. Please make sure that you understand the instructions. Your role is to orchestrate, and these are the tasks that this main agent is going to orchestrate. We're going to select Gemini 3.1, and you see this plus sign to create. So now we are going to create two more sub-agents, KPI strategist and data visualization. The KPI strategist is going to specifically be used to do KPI mapping and understanding all the metrics and indicators. The data visualization is going to be done by another sub-agent. So we're going to create this here. All you have to do is in your agent designer, click on this plus sign. In the sub-agent, do the first one, and the sub-agent is written here. KPI strategist sub-agent as well as data visualization architect. So copy these details as you would normally do. And in the interest of time, I'm going to show you how quickly you can add sub-agents. You got the two sub-agents, and then the first one, you're going to write the KPI strategist sub-agent here. There you go. And the second one would be your data visualization, and quickly copy paste the entire detail. Make sure you select Gemini 3.1 because we have tested it on Gemini 3.1. You got a complex design of sub-agents that will do specific tasks for you. So quickly, there you go. This is the KPI strategist agent, and this is your data visualization agent. Just put the steps based on the documentation. Make sure you have the models selected as 3.1 Pro, and all you do is click on create. Voila, the agent is created, and now you can type. The prompts are also written on this screen. So I can type, let's say, plant floor manufacturing, and it would just work uh, as we showed you here. There you go. That's it. So it's now going to create a metrics plan for uh, plant floor manufacturing, and that's it. Like you would see the orchestration of steps, orchestration of agents, and you know the the sequencing and delegation strategy. Once done, um, you will have this agent. You can add more details to it, like add a data source. You're going to see a lot of these agents in the future. Again, thank you for watching.